What's going on, family? I'm here with a good friend of mine and client, Jason, with Side by Side Media.
Yeah.
And I'm doing something different. I'm sitting down in real time with people that I work with and have been working with for a little bit of time. And I and Jason got connected. Both of us are veterans. I'm a veteran, captain. I'm a specialist. Went into sergeant. But we've been working together for a couple months now.
Yeah.
And I'm blown away by Jason. Jason does drone production, and I want him to just kind of share a little bit about what he does to our audience to kind of showcase what you're doing, but also highlighting our time together and how we've been working.
Yeah, I was going to say, first I want to just say thanks for everything that you've been doing for my business. It really makes a big difference for me. You know, I have an idea and I have an expertise, and I needed some outside intuition and some knowledge to kind of get me over that hump. And working with you has been great, but we'll get more into that. So my company, Side by Side Media, we do virtual drone tours. So anything that you can use a drone for, we do pictures, video, virtual tours. A lot of people know virtual tours is something that's like a Matterport or Giraffe, where you click and you can look around in a room and then you click to the next thing. And with the drone, we can do a one-click video. You just start to finish. We can fly inside, outside, in most weather, unless it's pouring down rain. I've done some work in some inclement weather, we'll say.
Yeah.
But yeah, today I just got back from flying with Navitat zip lines.
Woo!
So that video is going to be coming out soon. But yeah, small businesses, real estate listings, we're doing virtual tours, and it's been great.
Wow. Yeah. So I wanted to highlight most definitely what he's doing, because some of the work I've seen you do, been watching your work, looking at how you've been doing things, you are already doing a phenomenal job. And so it was an honor just to come alongside you, just kind of help you pivot and re-transform your brand and do a few other things. How has that time us been together, and just like since we've been working together, then I guess it's been 3 or 4 months now. I don't know how long it's been, maybe 3 months. I'll just say 90 days.
Yeah.
And going into now, how have you seen the change happen from A to B?
Yeah, so I would say it all boils down to one word, really, is we're refocused. Before I started working with Bruce, I got the idea that we wanted to rebrand our company and kind of focus on virtual drone tours. We're still doing some of the things that we did when we were Spartan Photography. We were focusing on a lot more with photography. Yeah. But man, talk about work trying to get everything switched over. Yeah. Creating a very succinct and dynamic website, so that people that come to try and find out what a virtual drone tour is, all the answers are right there on the website. And so that definitely would not have been possible without you. Yeah. And then knowing that when we have a good product, it's easy to talk about and get in front of people about it. And so the other part to that is, I have the ability to tell people about what I'm passionate about, but you're helping me get in front of the right people.
Correct. Right.
So that's been a big thing for us. So the refocusing of our messaging and getting in front of the right people has definitely helped us to build the brand here in Asheville and make ourselves unique and stand out. Yeah,
and how has that been going for you, as far as in more clients coming in, as far as getting connected to the ideal tribal audience of people? How has that been so far, like since you've been getting refocused, getting more clear about what you're offering, what you're doing?
Yeah, I would say that we're still growing. Obviously, we're still, I would say, even though I've been doing this since 2019, I'm almost starting over. And so I'm counting this as like starting a new business, really. Right. Because the clients that I had previous to this aren't necessarily ones that I'm focusing on going forward. So that's why we're kind of calling it something new. And so as a new business, I'd say we're growing fairly quick, just by, again, the right messaging in front of the right people. But we value what we do. We call ourselves Side by Side Media because of the fact that we're really, really focused on coming alongside of our clients and making sure that we, first of all, understand what their goals are. We want to make sure that if they have a specific goal, everything that we do is meeting that goal. If it's not, then we don't need to be doing it. And then, you know, making sure that because we do value our product, we're giving that value to our customer.
Thanks. Yeah.
So it's something that we had to learn and understand for ourselves, not to undervalue ourselves.
Right.
Because we are giving, I think, a quality product. But we're doing that because that we have those conversations with our clients to make sure that 100% they're satisfied.
Yes. So what can people expect from people who are watching, people who are learning about you from our audience, and maybe people that from your audience as well? What can they expect from you now? Like, what can you promise people now in what you offer, and what can they expect as far as an outcome and having an awesome product?
Yeah, really three things. Number one, they can expect to be heard and understood from the very beginning. I'm here to guide them through the process. I have the technical expertise to try and bring some of their dreams to life, but it's really their dream and their vision and their goal. It's their business or their listing. You know, a lot of people, we have a nice house here in Asheville. There's certain things that they want to highlight in that home, and we want to make sure that we do that.
Right.
The second thing is that it's going to be easy and quick. That's the other thing about doing the drone tour. A lot of times I can get a shot in one take. It happens a lot just because we've prepared so well.
You are
for
really
that.
good at that, Jason.
So it's quick and easy. You know, we're not taking hours upon hours trying to set up, the camera in every single room. And then the last thing is that the turnaround in the product comes very quickly, and the quality is always going to be there. I do not mind someone saying, hey, I really like this, but if you could just change this one little thing on there, absolutely, no problem. It is not a problem at all. I know a lot of artists out there that'll be like, what's the big deal? The big deal is that it's your video for your client and for your customers to showcase your business or your listing.
Right.
So if it's not right for you, it's not right for me.
Right. Awesome. So, man, you answered all my questions. How do people get in touch with you? Because you are local, Asheville, but North Carolina, you travel to as well. So how do people get in touch and connect?
So we're covering Eastern Tennessee, Western North Carolina, upstate South Carolina. Anybody that has real estate listings where they feel like a drone tour would be great for them because maybe they have some out-of-state buyers for the house or a customer-facing business. All they got to do is go to www.sidebysidedrone.com. You can email us from that website. You can get all the links to all our social media are there, or you can call me 828-747-8822.
Oh wow. Jason, thank you so much. It was an honor working with you. Still great working with you, and you've been a great friend.
We're gonna do some great things in the future too, brother.
Yes, sir. Well, I know we are. Thanks. Yeah, that's good.